Hello everyone. Start off by drawing a square as such. Now make it a 3D looking square and then add the behind portion of it. Draw another square at the bottom as such and then make this one 3D as well. Now right beside this one, make another square as well. These are called cuboids. So once you're done with this, add numbers on each of these. Write 1, 2 and 3. Once you're done with this, reline each of them to make it look all the more darker. Do it for the other cuboids as well. Then take a red marker and then proceed to color in the one half with red and then half with yellow. Moving on to the 2, color it in turquoise and then pink. As for the 3, use the colors green and orange accordingly. Now you may use a different colored marker in order to color your cubes. For the 1, we have decided to use pink, yellow and blue as such. As for the 2, we have decided to use pink, green and then yellow at the top. Lastly, for the 3, we have decided to use yellow, orange and lastly blue. Now finally, once you are done, this is what it should look like. Now for our next drawing, start off by drawing a top. That is the top of a dress and then proceed along with the skirt as such. Add linings to the bottom of the skirt. Then add the top and then add buttons. Right beside this, add a little basket or a bag as you can call it. At the top, don't forget to add the handle. Right beside this, you may also draw a pair of shoes. We have decided to make the lace look as such as well. Now, on top of your bag handle, you may draw a pair of glasses. These can be sunglasses. Once you are done with the drawing, line them with a black marker to make it look all the more darker. Take a pink sketch pen or a pink marker and then color in your dress. Then with the rest of the dress, you may use the color orange. We have also decided to color the bottom in blue and yellow. After this, you may move along to the other accessories. We have decided to color the bag in pink and green. As for the handle, it will be done in yellow. Moving on to the shoes, we have decided to color the soles of the shoes in orange and then the top with pink and yellow. The sunglasses are blue. Next, start off by drawing this paddle-like shape. Add a base to it as well. Now draw a small bush-like object and then complete it to make it look like a bowl. However, add a handle to it as well. Draw a star on the outside. Now right beside this, draw a heart and then draw a container for this heart. Add a little cloudy top as well and then add handles on either side. Underneath it, add this particular portion. Do the same for the other vessel as well. Now, after you are done, this will be a stove. Draw a rectangular shape around it and then add a depth layer at the bottom. Add the buttons for your stove as well, such as the turners and everything else. Then take the black marker and line it once again to make it all the more darker. Now, take other colored markers and then color in your vessels. For our first vessel, we have chosen the color red, orange, yellow, green and pink. We have also added blue. Then you may use a different color for the spoon, and as for the food, we have chosen orange, a lighter orange for the inside of the vessel. For our second vessel, we have decided to go with the colors blue, pink, yellow and orange. We have chosen a shade of lighter pink for the heart. As for the top, once again we have colored it in orange, however a lighter shade. The handles will be done in green. Use grey for the bottom part of the stove as such. Do it on both the sides. Now once you are done with this, you may use a blue marker in order to color the rest of the stove. We have chosen red in order to depict the flames. This we have done with red and orange. For the bottom part of the stove, we have chosen the color pink. Color it neatly so that no line is darker than the other. For the buttons, we have chosen blue, yellow and orange. As for the bottom, use brown. For our next drawing, start off by making this particular shape. Now, once you are done with this, add the handles at the bottom as well. That is the stand. This will be a sofa chair. Right beside it, you may draw on a lamp. This will be a Victorian lamp. Add multiple lines that connect the top to the bottom of this lamp. Then add the stand to it as well. Now, right beside your sofa, add a curtain that is connected at the bottom as well and then add designs or multiple lines as such. Add a circle that will depict a clock right above the lamp and then add the ground as well. You may show the clock depicting any time. Once you are done with all of this, line it with black marker again so that it looks all the more darker. Now begin to take different colored markers and then color in the different parts of your drawing. We have chosen to color in the sofa in peach and pink accordingly. We have used brown for the bottom stand portion of it. Moving on to the lamp, we have chosen to use the color light brown and then blue. As for the wooden part of the stand, it has been done with dark brown. Moving on to the clock, we have chosen the colors blue and red in order to color the clock. Finally, moving on to the curtain, we have decided to make it colorful. For this, we have used the colors red, blue, pink and then orange. We have colored the middle portions in yellow. Color the ground in yellow as well. Thank you for watching.